Hey guys, here's how to use Google Bard AI chatbot, which is a Google Chat GPT. Let's take a look on how it works. First of all, we'll click on Try Bard and accept. I click on I agree and click on continue. Here's a simple search bar where you can ask a variety of things. If you're not sure where to start, you can try these things. Okay, so I'll ask Google Bard to can it explain the generative AI like 5 years ago, and I'll generate it from here. You can also use microphone and record your voice and then generate it. So here's our answer. You can also listen to it.
Sure, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence.
And pause it. You can also give your feedback. You can also upload file by clicking on this plus icon. You can upload image. Let's take a look if it can generate images. Okay, so it can also generate images. As you can see here, so many images of a cat. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.